Hey guys, so if you watched my videos recently, I did one a little while ago for another company, and in that video I said I was going to do a Ghost Family Haunts video soon, so that is what I'm going to do today. Now, the Ghost Family Haunts is a company who makes a lot of scented stuff. So they do wax melts, they do room sprays, they do oils, they do other stuff as well. They do clothing, pins, prints, stuff like that. It's all kind of like spooky, Halloweeny sort of themed, and I absolutely love them. So it's a shop and it's also a subscription. I don't show you the subscription every month because what I get is a room spray subscription, and it's literally one bottle of room spray every month. So I feel like coming on here and doing a video about just one bottle would be really quick and really boring. But if you follow me on Instagram, which I will put down below, I do post on my story like what the room spray was each month and stuff. So yeah, today I'm just going to show you some of their stuff and put their link down below in case any of you want to go and check it out. And it just all smells incredible, so I wanted to show you. So before we get started, I'm going to show you my kind of little collection of them over here that I've got. So this is the ones that I currently have from them on here. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7 of them at the minute. I will show you them all individually in a second, but I'll show you the wax melts first. So this is just one of the boxes that you can buy from them. This wasn't a subscription, but they do a wax melt subscription each month. I don't get that one, I just prefer the room sprays, but these are incredible. So they come with a little card which tells you about the room spray care and the wax melt care. So that's the little card. So this box that I have here is called the Fragrance Library, and it has each of the wax melts and what they're supposed to smell like next to it. And then this is their little business card. Like I said, I'll put the link down below for them in case anyone wants to go and check them out. Now, I've had this for a little while and I tried my absolute best not to burn any of them, but these smell incredible and it's kind of like spooky month and it was really difficult, so I did actually end up burning one of them already, but I've left them how they were in the order. I will try and not tip these everywhere because there's loads of them, but this is our giant box of all the different wax melts. They all have really cute little labels, like this pumpkin blaze one, little pumpkins on it and stuff. So I'm really quickly going to go through and tell you all of the scents of these and then tell you which ones my favourites were, and then I will show some other stuff. So we've got the Haunts, which is pumpkin bread with cream cheese swirls. We've got Living with Ghosts, which is spearmint tips and fresh eucalyptus. Pumpkin Blaze is orange flesh pumpkins. Then we've got Notre Regrette, or Regret, Notre Regret, Pipe Smoke and Damascus Rose. Edison is wood smoked orange and spice. Blue Lupin Moon is sweet violet and wood smoked birch. Whitby Jet is earthy embers and florals. Twisted Pumpkin Vine is pumpkin vines and chamomile. 10,000 Carved Faces is sweet sugar pumpkins. Lyndhurst is spiced apple cider. Cauldron Seasoning is shiny cauldrons and smoky resins. Witch's Night is black spruce, smoke and vanilla. The Witch House is sweet baked treats. Shut-In is earthy notes and pine cladding. Grey Visitations is holy basil and blended herbals. His Boots Are Rising is fresh roots, tobacco and bourbon. The Dark Gourd, or Gourd, is sweet creams, pumpkin and resins. Frogs and Toads is crushed violet and dewy grass. In Morning is smouldering fire and aged papers. Curiosities is coffee, marzipan and incense. Flight of the Witches is mugwort and lavender. Witch of Wookey Hole is dark resins, patchouli and oud. Mother Shipton is amber and patchouli. Feast on Us is sugar-coated apples and stovetop cauldrons. And Upstate New York is golden apples and autumn air. So that is their current scent library. Now, every now and again they discontinue some of these scents and they bring out new scents. If you are subscribed to the monthly subscription, the room spray that you get is generally never one of these. It's like a special edition, newly made scent, so that is really cool. I did go through and write down what each one of these actually smells like, but I'm not going to bore you with that because honestly, I just feel like a lot of these on the card is actually what it smells like. My favourites were the Haunts, which is very similar to 10,000 Carved Faces. It's very pumpkin-y, quite sweet, but like a real pumpkin spice kind of scent. Witch's Night, which on here says black spruce, smoke and vanilla. To me, it smells kind of lemony and fruity, and I liked that one. The Witch House smells like biscuits. That one is very nice. Frogs and Toads smells like violet, like Parma Violet, the sweets. In Morning, one of my absolute favourites, smells like really sugary, smoky kind of smell. Curiosities is quite a coffee scent, so it's kind of like a vanilla latte or a pumpkin latte or something like that. And Mother Shipton, one of my favourites which I don't yet own, which I think I am going to buy at some point, smells really, really sweet like amber. One of the nicest smells in here. That is actually the one that I already burned, the Mother Shipton one, because like I said, it's one of my favourite ones that I don't own as a spray. So that is the one that I burned so far. But yeah, those ones are my favourite smells. So that is the little wax melts that they do. And then I will move this over here and show you some of the other stuff. So I do have one of their t-shirts. I was going to wear this today, but it's long sleeve and it's really hot. So this is what it looks like. It's got two very cute little ghosts on the front, and then down the arms it says Ghost. Now this is called the Ghost Sheets top. I actually thought that one arm said Ghost and one arm said Sheets, but apparently both say Ghost. I've literally only just realised that myself. So that is one of their tops that they do. And now I will show you my favourite bits, which are the room sprays. So the very first ones that I ever got from them had these kind of shiny labels on. So I got Freak Show and I got 10,000 Carved Faces. These old ones used to tell you what the scent was, which I did prefer a little bit just because I could remember then what the scent was supposed to be. So this one says, close your eyes and be transported to a dimly lit circus tent, trapeze, fire and spun sugar. So this one is pretty much exactly like as it sounds. It's really sugary, really sweet. Kind of maybe like sort of a candy floss sort of scent, and amazing. One of my favourite. In fact, you know what? I think I love all of them equally. I was going to say one of my favourites, but I don't think I have a favourite because they're all so good. This one, 10,000 Carved Faces, says orange flesh pumpkins haunt the ground, Halloween will soon be found, candlelight autumn and Halloween treats. This one is very like a typical pumpkin spice sort of scent, I would say. It does say it's sweet. I wouldn't say it's that sweet. I think it's quite a cinnamony, clovey kind of pumpkin. Apparently there is no clove in this, they told me, but to me that is what I smell, like a real true pumpkin scent. So those were the first two I got. Then next I got this one. This was when they made their new labels, and this one is called Massachusetts. Now this one is supposed to be a like a pecan pie kind of scent, like a little bit nutty. That is pretty much exactly as it smells. It's very sweet, and this has the white label. This is the only one that I've got in the white label, and they don't make this scent either anymore. But if you are subscribed to their box, it's actually done through Patreon, and they sometimes will ask you if you want like older scents, and that is how I got these two. Now these two again are not ones that are made anymore, but I wanted these two. So this one is called Cabin Bakes, and this one is a fireside marshmallow scent. So basically it's kind of like s'mores but without the chocolate. Like just a really, really sweet marshmallow kind of scent. Amazing, love it. Definitely would say this is one of my favourites. I'd say these four I'm about to show are my favourites. Then next, the other one that I got, which they don't do anymore, is Without Pumpkin. This one is a pumpkin waffle scent. Pretty much, again, exactly as it's supposed to be. Pumpkin, waffles, sweet, sugary, like a syrupy waffle sort of smell. Amazing, love it. And then these two are the ones that I've got from the subscription box so far. So this one was September's subscription and it's called October is Calling. Now because these are from the subscription and because they don't have the like what the scent is supposed to be on them anymore, I couldn't tell you what this is supposed to be, but it reminds me a little bit of the pumpkin waffle one. Maybe also a little marshmallowy. It's kind of like pumpkin, marshmallow, cheesecakey sort of smell. Incredible, love it. So there is that one. And then the last one we've got is this month's October one, and this is called All Hallows Eve. It has the very cute little pumpkin guy on the side. This one's a really weird smell to me. It smells like a perfume, like something that you would spray on your body, but then when you spray it in the air it's very sweet and pumpkin-y. I wish this was a perfume. It does say not to spray it on your skin in the little like instructions, but this one smells like I want to spray it on myself. So it doesn't really smell very room sprayy to me. But maybe if you sprayed it on your clothes a little, it says not to, but I feel like this is more of like a body scent to me. So love these last four. October is Calling, All Hallows Eve, Without Pumpkin and Cabin Bakes. I would say those four are my favourites. I also apologise for the lighting in this video. I don't know what my light is doing recently. I think it's because it's bright outside and I have to shut my curtains, otherwise nothing focuses. It kind of messes with the light, so just throwing that out there. The last two things I've got to show you are these. So this is one of their little pins that they sent. I think one of the sprays was like delayed one time or something, so they sent this as like a little freebie. And then this came with October's room spray subscription. It's just a little cute wooden pumpkin and a little sticker. So they were like the little extras that came with the All Hallows Eve spray. So I will put the prices down below for everything. I believe the room spray subscription is $11.99 posted. These are not like super expensive. I absolutely love getting these. I think this is one of my favorite subscriptions that I get every month. I know it's just like one item, but they always smell absolutely amazing and it's always nice to see like what the scent is going to be. So I will put all the prices down below, like I said, for the separate items and for the subscriptions. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.